getting started. So, what does this have to do with your? What I was saying that the topic here is about how to speak French right from the scratch. So, some basic knowledge that you need to have before you start speaking your French. You start learning your French. So this one, they said that what does this have to do with your learning French? Well, because I posted something before. I talk about French. That said English also has some words that you need to pick from French language, and they need to pick some words from each other. So they have been in relationship for a long time. Well, today about 35% of English vocabulary is of French origin. That being the case, you already know an impressive amount of French. Whether you realize it or not, the only pitfall you have to watch out for is that sometimes the English words have a different meaning from their French counterparts, and they all almost certainly have a different pronunciation. French nouns are preceded by either definite or indefinite articles. So the article we want to see them today. The definite articles are le. You have seen it. L-E, le. That is masculine article. La. You'll be saying after me. La. L-A, la. That is feminine article. L. That is L apostrophe. L apostrophe. An abbreviation of either le or la. That L apostrophe is an abbreviation of le or la. So, of le or la. And the le is plural. So, plural article. These are the equivalent to the English word the. English word the. The indefinite articles are un. Masculine. Un is masculine. Une. As I'm saying, you to be saying after me. Une. Like someone that want to smoke. Say une. That is feminine. Feminine article. And you have it there. Quote it. Listen to it very well. And say the pronunciation. The pronunciation. There. It's not des. There. If you say des, it's a mistake. There. That is plural. These are all equivalent to the English word a or an, or some. That there means some. As you learn French, knowing which article go with what nouns help you identify the nouns. The nouns gender, that is why we include the article with the nouns in the list throughout this book, throughout this learning, as it is a book that we are using, because the abbreviation L apostrophe obscure the nouns gender. We added the gender in parentheses. Finally, because the articles are not always used in English translation, we don't include them in the translation of the word list. So you see now, see this one now. We have l'université. You will not say l'université or le université, because it started with a vowel. So because of that vowel, you abbreviate, you remove that if of le, and you use, join it together and read it together. They call it liaison. That's the pronunciation. How to pronounce it in English. The pronunciation is here for you, so that it will make it easy for you. L'université. That is it. L'université. The university. the university. So, university. Le kiosque. Le kiosque. Le kiosque. For example, friendly, they are friendly allies, bon alliés, friendly allies, bon alliés. Several French words are spelled the same and they have the same meaning as their English counterpart. The only thing that may be different is the pronunciation. For more on pronunciation guidelines ahead, you go to chapter 3. So take a look at this bon allié, bon allié or bons alliés. That is the pronunciation. Bons alliés, friendly allies, bon allié. So here now, in this pronunciation, you do the liaison. That is, you join it. This bon, that S you just join it as you call it Z, and you join it to that A of allié. So you read it bons alliés, bons alliés. So we pronounce some words to help you to learn how to pronounce them with the article. So to show you the gender immediately, then once it is L-E, le, L-E, le, that is masculine. If it is un, U-N, that is masculine. If it is L-E, L-A, that is feminine. Or une, that is feminine. So we follow me and be reading them as we are going to this topic, through this topic. La, that is the R, la, that is the last one. La, yeah, is a masculine word. Because it is, they put L apostrophe, you don't know whether it is masculine or feminine. So let us read the remaining word. The remaining word here. So we'll be reading there after me. Brave. So that brave, you can say le brave. Le bureau. That is the office. Le bureau. That is the office. So you read them together. Le bureau. That the pronunciation is the one they put in bracket. You have just read the pronunciation, the bracket, to get it. Le bureau. Le client. It's not le client. Le concert. Le concert. La condition. That is the condition. La condition. Le bureau here is the office. Le bureau here, the office. La condition. Content, that will be content, happiness. Content, the pronunciation is in bracket for you. So you follow it so that you will get it very well. Content. Le courage, the courage. Le courage. Le cousin, the cousin. Le cousin. Be saying after me as I'm saying, be saying it. Le cousin. La culture, the culture. La culture, the culture. La culture. Différent, that is different. Different. The next one, excellent, 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 excellent. Le garage, le garage, the garage, le garage, the garage. So we want to read it again, right from the beginning. We have brave, brave, le bureau, the office, le bureau. You will be seeing it after me. Le bureau, le client, the customer, le client, le concept, the concept, la condition, the condition, la condition, content, content. What you say content here is not content, the content of a document. No, it is happiness, happy, content, happy. Le courage, courage, le courage, le cousin, la culture, the culture, different, different, excellent, excellent. Le garage, the garage. So we move to the next one. Le guide, before you have le down here. Le guide, the guide. Le guide, important, le journal, the news, or newspaper. La machine, it's not machine like they call it in English. No, shoe. Shoe, the way you call shoe or show is shina. La machine, those are their feminine words. La machine, le message, the message, le message, le moment, le moment, the moment, le moment, la nation, the nation, la nation. I didn't say I'm pronouncing. I didn't say la nation, la nation. La nièce, the niece, la nièce. This one, l'orange. See that start, they put L apostrophe. L'orange. L apostrophe joined to it. L'orange. This is the L apostrophe. In the position of that I put this thing that you make like that, but you join together. L apostrophe with it, but it's a feminine word. It starts with a voice. That's why they put L apostrophe. L'orange, le parent, the parent, le parent, the parent. Let's go to the next one. You already know this one. Possible. Be saying after me. Possible. Principal. So let's start from the beginning again. We say it faster. Important. As I'm saying, be repeating it. Important. Le journal. La machine. Le message. Le moment. La nation. La nièce. Those are they put F for. That's their feminine. Those are they put N for as they start with a vowel or silent H. You see the gender there. L'orange, L'orange, we have la nièce. After l'orange, le parent, possible, principal. All some of these words they are also in English. You already know them. Principal, probable, probable. La question, la question. Let's move on. La radio. That is the radio. You have la here, radio here. La radio. Le restaurant. In English, they need to say restaurant. Le restaurant. But here, le restaurant. Le restaurant. La rose. La rose. That is rose. Flower. Rose flower. La rose. Rouge. Rouge. It's not rouge like the way they pronounce in English. No. Rouge. 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 La route. La route. That is the road. La science. La science. The science. Le secret. The secret. Le secret. Le service. Le service. The service. Le signal. In English they say signal. Signal. But in French, that G and N, you call it ñ. Ñ. Signal. Le signal. Le signal. Le silence. Le silence. La solitude. La solitude. La solitude. Le sport. Le sport. La station. It's not la station. La station. La statue. La statue. Let us start again. La radio. Le restaurant. Le restaurant. La rose. Rouge. La route. La science. Le secret. Le service. Le signal. Le silence. La solitude. Solitude. Silence. Le sport. Sport. La station. That's the station. La station. La statue. La statue. Okay. The next one now. You stop at zoo. Le zoo. La suggestion. We have la here. La. That's here. L-A for suggestion. La suggestion. Sujet. It's not suggestion like they call in English. Suggestion. It's not like that. Suggestion. But in French, suggestion. Suggestion. La surprise. That is surprise. La surprise. La table. La table. Le taxi. Le taxi. Yeah, taxi. The same in English. Le tennis. Le tennis. Le train. Le train. Urgent. In English they say urgent. But in French, urgent. Those words are also the same in English. They have the same meaning. Urgent. Violet. That is violet. Violet. Le voyage. The journey. Le voyage. Le zoo. Le zoo. Let us start again. We stop here for now. Let us start again. La suggestion. We have la here. La suggestion. La surprise. La table. Just be saying after me. La table, le taxi, le taxi, le tennis, le tennis, le tennis, le train, A-I-N, you call it N also. Le train, urgent, urgent, violet, violet, le voyage, le voyage, le zoo, le zoo. Thank you. Next time we go to the next one, kissing cousin. Go to the next one. Thank you. Help us share it.